We have unscrewed those tools, and now you can safely move this part away. But remember, all this part is actually glued, this metal plate and the battery. So you might need something like a blade or something else if you prefer to cut it open. Make sure to do it gently so it doesn't break anything. Although you are here to place the battery, I do strongly recommend you not to damage any of the parts, because sometimes it could be nasty if you do that. Once you get it, and you just pull this off, and you can see all those glue stuff inside. And next, this battery is also taped. It's actually also glued to the plate down there, and it's not very strong as the one on the top, but you still need to put some effort to do it. Once you do that, you can take this housing off and replace the new one. It is strongly recommended to put some insulation between the metal plate and the battery, and also glue it if you want to, and then just put this back on. Put some glue as well if you prefer to, and make sure to pay attention to the structure here. You can see there's another one down there, so holding it together. So what you really want to do is tighten this thing as much as you can to screw it from the back if you want to, like using the 6mm one as we showed in the first video. Once you get it really tight, it should be good to go, and you place the battery here and you put it back on. And as this one, as you previously took it off, and use this 9/16 and to screw it back on, and you should be good to go with the battery. And remember to re-plug this back. You see here, it's if you see it closely, it should be a battery, and you just plug this part into it, and always be gentle. And also remember the solar panel, we get it, we pull it off at the first. You see here, remember to plug this into the far side of the circuit chip, and if you look closely, you should be able to see a solar 1 here, and make sure to plug it, both of them, with the right direction. It should be like that. Once you're done, it should be good to go. And what you need to do is to reassemble this whole thing back on, and remember to pay attention to the wire so it doesn't get overextended and break it. And other than that, everything should be good to go.